In this video, we will use the Rafay system templates within the template catalog to deploy Kubeflow on a GKE cluster. Within the template catalog, we will locate the Kubeflow on GCP template and then push a copy of the template to our project. Once the template is within the project, we will then add an agent to the template. The agent will perform the actions defined within the template. We can see that we have an existing GKE cluster managed by Rafay within the project. On this cluster is where Kubeflow will be deployed by the template. Next, we will provision an environment from the template. We will first enter a name for the environment and then populate the required details for the specifics of the environment. Clicking Save and Deploy will begin the deployment process. It will take between 30 and 40 minutes to provision the needed GCP infrastructure and deploy the required applications on the cluster. Once the deployment is complete, the user is presented with a URL that can be used to access the Kubeflow environment through Okta.